Hi everyone, this is Malika and you're watching Ramble Girl, and today is the last day of 2020 and today we are here at Sukna Lake to enjoy our last day of 2020. Today we will do boating here. Boating was resumed here because of the COVID and it was open in the last month, that is November. Now it's open so you can also enjoy boating. Many different types of boating options with price ranging from rupees 100 to 400 per person are available. Apart from the pedal boats, all other boats are driven by the professional drivers. For boating we have to purchase our tickets, so that's why we are going toward the ticket window. There we will buy our tickets and let's see how much it costs to us and how much time we can spend there. सो दिस इज़ द टिकट काउंटर जहाँ से हमें अपनी टिकट्स खरीदनी है एंड पर पर्सन इट विल कॉस्ट यू 100 रुपीज़ बट दे विल चार्ज यू डबल बिकॉज ऑफ द सिक्योरिटी रीज़न. लेटर ऑन व्हेन यू विल डिपॉजिट द स्लिप बैक टू दैम दे विल refund your security. After purchasing the tickets we have to go downwards and we have to show our ticket to another person, then he will mention the time. Don't waste your time while wearing jackets. You have to be very quickly if you want to spend more time in the lake in your boat. The main attraction of the tourist as well as for the locals at Sukna Lake is boating. In just 100 rupees you can enjoy a very good time here. This place is loved by everyone, whether you are a tourist or a local. The place is very close to everyone's heart. I don't know why this place is having so much positive vibes and you can enjoy everything here. This place is loved by everyone, whether you are a kid, teenager, you are married, you are in an old age. Everyone loves this place and this place has some amazing vibes. Like if you are having a bad day, just come here and sit for 15 to 20 minutes and the place will totally change your mind and will recharge you. Looking at the popularity of the Shikara in Dal Lake in Kashmir, Chandigarh Tourism has introduced Shikara in Sukna Lake as well. It can accommodate up to 4 people and cost rupees 200 per person. The boating is permitted till the sunset only. This solar powered mini cruise can accommodate up to 25 people and cost rupees 300 per person. It can also be booked for mini parties. It is particularly attractive for those who have not experienced a cruise ride in their life. You can also book this cruise for your birthday parties or kitty parties. It will cost you rupees 10,000. It is a small amusement park where kids can also do their activities according to their age. Your kids can also spend some quality time here because there is lots of activity for the kids also. They can play here and enjoy their time also. You will see many sketch artists in Sukna Lake making the portrait of the visitor. The hands of an artist can capture even the tiniest of the emotions. So that's why people cherish the handmade sketch. The price range of these portraits start from rupees 200. It's time to go back to home. Thank you so much guys for joining me and wishing you all a very happy new year. Keep smiling, stay happy. Wish you a wonderful year ahead.